how to fix Valorant FPS drop issue. First, you want to simply close any kinds of unnecessary application if it is running on the background over here. After that, what you can also do is you can simply manage your graphics over here. You want to simply open the Valorant game, and here you want to simply go to video option over here. And once you're inside your video, you can simply go to graphics quality, and what you basically want to do is you want to simply drop down all of your graphics quality settings, and that will give your FPS back. What you want to do is after that is you want to simply lower demanding graphics settings overall. From here you can simply go to your NVIDIA applications over here as well, and here as well you'll be able to manage your graphics settings. You want to open your NVIDIA app, tap on Valorant and click on settings over here. Here you'd be able to find your performance or graphics settings over here. You can make your changes over here, and once you have done so, you should be able to play your game on high FPS again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.